Hey mamas, Maya here. 5 years motherhood. You know what saved my sanity? This Modong blender, I tell you. Morning rush, 6 a.m., protein shake for me, soy milk for my 3-year-old son. Wow, so smooth like restaurant lait. My kids finish in 5 seconds flat. Busy mama, no time cook? 15 minutes, done. More time for gym, more time for me. Aiya, Maya mom tells the truth. This blender, 3 years, never spoil. Use code Maya20, extra 5% off. Link in bio. What are you waiting for? Cooking with kids? Modong is all you need.